Hi guys, Robin here with WTI and this beautiful bag from Dasein. This is the ostrich khaki print. It is beautifully textured and this beautiful tassel pocket on the front not only looks fabulous but is fully functional. So let's go ahead and check out exactly what we can fit in this and why I absolutely love it. This bag has so many pockets, it is fantastic. The front double tassel pocket, a large pocket with a slip pocket opening inside, a small center pouch which I put my phone in, and then also another secondary large pouch as well. And this one has a small zipper pocket. Inside, I can fit absolutely everything I need, not only for day to day, but also when you're traveling and need those extras. The adjustable strap is also great for over the shoulder or crossbody as well. So guys, that is why I love this bag. It's perfect for a girls' night, every day, and also travel. So I love it. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.